Alright, I'm just going to start talking. So, revamping the channel a little bit. I mean, I have more videos on here about car projects and everything that I've done. I'm not a professional. I'm a professional IT person. I got laid off.
You're fired.
Doge cuts. So now I'm trying to keep my hands busy while I look for another position. So I was going to rename the channel Hold My Wrench, but DavidTries is still good because it has everything that I do and want to do. What do I want out of this channel? I want to be able to do project, basically, to fund the projects. So I want to. I love the channels where they go out and they find stuff on Facebook Marketplace for relatively cheap, and then they come back and they fix it. Matt has a couple good ones, but he's doing Bugattis and Lamborghinis, and I like to get there one day. That'd be kind of cool. Right now, I'm just trying to get my motorcycle up and running. So I have an 83 Harley Davidson 2002. She's been having issues with gas tank, stuff getting into the car. So today we are going to try to figure out how to get the new carb in and go from there. I'm trying to still decide on how I want to do these type of videos. If it's going to be me talking or actually showing and talking. I came across a really good video last night of one of the guys that's doing exactly what I want to do. Um, and all his camera angles are really good and really crazy, crisp. I don't know if I have the patience to do that. Or the camera setup really to do that. There was a lot of POV. I was thinking about getting the meta glasses to do that. We shall see. So this is, I think we're going to go with the uh, or FIO. Figure it out. Uh, Mantra in it on this channel. That's basically what I'm doing. I'm just figuring out something is wrong. How do I figure it out? Usually I go to YouTube, I go to the books, and try to understand how things work, and then understand how to fix said thing. Yeah, and then improve it.